Hi, in today's Anabolic cooking video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious egg and cinnamon shake that is really good for your libido and testosterone. And it's also very, very delicious. So the idea for this recipe came from actually two recipes and combining them and getting the benefits on both of these recipes. The first recipe is called like boner shake, and I actually got this from Sterling Cooper. He's a YouTuber that specializes in like testosterone and men's sexual health and something like this. And he used to be a porn star. So what he did the night before the set, because in the mornings they used to record, so the night before he mixed up 4 eggs and a scoop of vanilla protein, and he used to drink that. And this pumped his body full of cholesterol, what builds testosterone, and also with a bunch of vitamins and proteins that helped him get a raging erection the day after. And the second part of the recipe is from another YouTuber, and he made like this eggnog recipe. Eggnog is a beverage, like an alcoholic beverage, which combines eggs, like a shit ton of sugar, and whipping cream and cinnamon. And it's really, really tasty, but it's also really difficult to make. So in this video, I combined the taste of the eggnog with the effectiveness of the boner shake. So let's get into it. So to make this testosterone boosting shake, you are going to need some eggs, but be cautious, you are going to be drinking them raw. So the best eggs are like refrigerated, fresh eggs. The best is when you grab them right from the chicken. That's what I did now. So the next thing you need is some whipping cream, honey for the sweetness, obviously some protein because it's also a protein shake, and cinnamon. So we are going to mix it up in this order. You are going to put 4 eggs into the blender. In the official eggnog recipe, you are supposed to put only like whites in there, but in every recipe where there is like put 2 egg whites and 2 whole eggs, I just put 4 eggs in there because what am I supposed to do with the yolks? I'm not going to just throw them out. So now when we have the eggs there, we are going to close it up and then mix those eggs. Now we are going to add some of this whipping cream. Whipping cream is tasty, so I like to add, it's around 100 milliliters, I think. Then a scoop of protein. I like unflavored protein because in the flavored protein, like vanilla protein, they don't put normal vanilla, they put like sweeteners, and I don't like that. So I just buy unflavored protein, and if I want to have it flavored like cinnamon, I put cinnamon. If I want to have it flavored as chocolate, I put chocolate in there. My recommendations for buying protein is just to buy the unflavored version, and then you can flavor it as you want. So the next thing you are going to add is some cinnamon. I don't know the appropriate dose. I'm going to add like, look, a tablespoon, let's say. Like this much. Mix that up. And then lastly, you are going to add around half a tablespoon of honey. Now when it's all mixed up, you can pour it in a cup like this. And now you have your delicious eggnog. You can smell it. It smells like cinnamon and raw eggs, and also a bit of honey I smell there. And you can taste it. You can also add a straw. I don't know how much protein is it or how much calories. I'm going to put the macros on the screen right now. And yeah, enjoy. By the way, this shake fits really, really, really good with my anabolic pancake recipe. So if you want to make these anabolic pancakes, you can check the first link in the description. Bye.